5 Weird Decisions Apple Made with the iPad Pro, M4. Apple's iPad Pro lineup has always been at the forefront of tablet technology, pushing boundaries with each iteration. However, not all decisions made by Apple are universally praised. Here are 5 peculiar choices in the iPad Pro, M4, that have sparked discussions among tech enthusiasts and users alike. 1. Lack of USB-C port. One of the most perplexing decisions in the iPad Pro, M4, is the absence of a USB-C port, a feature that has become standard in many modern devices, including previous iPad Pro models. Instead of adopting the widely used USB-C interface, Apple opted to introduce a proprietary connector that is not compatible with existing USB-C accessories without an adapter. This move has raised eyebrows as it limits the device's connectivity options and forces users to invest in additional adapters or new accessories. 2. Non-expandable storage. Unlike many competing tablets that offer expandable storage options via microSD cards or similar solutions, the iPad Pro, M4, doubles down on internal storage with no option for expansion. This decision, while typical of Apple's design philosophy, can be frustrating for users who require more storage over time but are restricted to choosing higher-priced models from the outset. 3. Integrated battery. In a departure from the industry trend towards removable or easily replaceable batteries, the iPad Pro, M4, features an integrated battery that is not user-serviceable. This design choice has implications for sustainability and repairability, as it complicates battery replacements and potentially increases costs for consumers. 4. Exclusive software ecosystem. Apple's ecosystem is known for its seamless integration across devices, but the iPad Pro, M4, takes this a step further by limiting access to certain software and features exclusively through Apple's own App Store. While this approach ensures a curated user experience, it also restricts users' freedom to install software from third-party sources or make modifications outside Apple's ecosystem. 5. High price point for base model. Despite advancements in technology and manufacturing efficiencies, the iPad Pro, M4, maintains a relatively high price point for its base model compared to other tablets in the market. This pricing strategy may alienate budget-conscious consumers and limit the device's accessibility, especially considering the aforementioned limitations such as non-expandable storage and proprietary connectors. Conclusion. While the iPad Pro, M4, continues to showcase Apple's commitment to innovation and design excellence, these 5 decisions highlight some of the unconventional choices that have sparked debate within the tech community. Whether these decisions are seen as visionary or restrictive depends largely on individual perspectives and priorities. As Apple continues to refine its products, it remains to be seen how these choices will influence future iterations and the overall landscape of tablet technology.